See what Matt's Pizza is talking about. We're gonna go see what these wings is talking about. A lot. I got me the chicken fingers and a slice of buffalo chicken pizza. We're gonna see what that's talking about. That buffalo chicken pizza look good. And they got that good old they got the right honey mustard. They ain't got that too dark honey mustard that got the spice to it. They got that right honey mustard. It's all about the honey mustard for me with anything when I get honey mustard. That's what the pizza look like. Smelling real buffalo chickenish. Good. Doing the burnt then. Doing burnt. Honey mustard, good. Looking right though. Doing the burnt. Playing with me. Let me not say burnt. Extra crispy. Honey mustard saving them. These ones are too crispy for me. You know, like fried fish. I'll pass on these next time. These ain't it. All fried. No chicken. It's fried too hard for me, that's all. Plenty of flavor to them though. That's why I keep eating. And though they all fried hard, they're very flavorful. And that honey mustard just